Do you remember those huge, complicated welding machines that look like they're straight out of the Stone Age? Well, forget about them, because FORZA has developed the FORZA Aura, the welder that makes all the others look like museum antiques. And today I'm going to show you why you need one in your workshop. Plus, you don't need to be an expert to weld. The FORZA Aura isn't just compact, it's also multifunctional. 4-in-1. What does that mean? It means you can weld, cut, clean weld beads, and clean surfaces. Want to know how it works? Hold on, because I'm going to explain it to you with pears and apples. Well, with metal and laser. Unlike traditional processes like MIG, TIG, or stick welding, where you rely on an electric arc that's more temperamental than a Monday morning, here there are no micro-explosions or drama. The laser focuses a beam of light so powerful that it melts the metal in a controlled way, eliminating imperfections. This means you don't need to be an expert. Even a beginner like me can achieve professional results. But wait, this is just getting started. What you're about to see will make you want to have a FORZA Aura in your workshop or plant right now. First things first, welding. Just look at this weld bead. It's like a golden thread on metal. And you know what's the best part? You don't need to be a welding master. This machine takes you from beginner to expert in seconds. Cutting has never been this easy. With the FORZA Aura, it's like using a hot knife through butter, but on steel. The FORZA Aura cleans the weld bead as if it had a laser eraser. Goodbye rust, goodbye imperfections. It's like a spa for metal. And that's not all. Want to see how portable it is? Hold on a second. It even fits in the car seat. Did you know this machine doesn't need water to cool down? It's like it comes with its own built-in luxury fan. Air cooling technology, because we like to keep things simple here. Let's see what makes this beauty so special. Laser gun. It comes with interchangeable nozzles depending on the type of job, and a mirror system that adjusts the beam for pinpoint precision. Intuitive touch panel control that saves work profiles. Just choose the material and thickness and let the machine do the rest. Assist gas. You can use nitrogen, argon, or even oxygen, lowering costs without compromising the quality of your work. Resonator, the heart of the machine. It generates the light beam and ensures consistent performance. Many of our clients ask us about consumables. Among the most important consumables are, first, the filler wire for materials like aluminum and stainless steel. Second, the nozzles, which are easy to replace depending on the type of wear on the machine. Whether it's for a metalworking shop, construction, or industrial design, FORZA Aura adapts to everything. And you might be wondering, how does it adapt to everything? Well, because of the variety of materials and its versatility with different thicknesses. Pay attention and pause the video. Here you can see the different materials and their usability according to the 800-watt power chart. If you want higher power options, let us know in the comments or write to us for personalized advice. Did you think it was over? Wait. Now let's talk about the special features of the Aura. Air cooling system. No water, no chiller, just fresh air to keep the machine running at 100%. Quick change lenses. Changing lenses here is faster than changing the channel on TV. Multiple welding types. Thanks to the use of different nozzles, the machine allows you to perform various types of welding depending on what you need. And most importantly, it's worth repeating, 4-in-1 multifunctionality, welding, cutting, cleaning, and clean weld beads, all with a single machine. So, why should you choose the FORZA Aura instead of welding the old-fashioned way? Let me sum it up in 3 points: low operating cost, ease of use, and FORZA technical support. The best technical support in the world, where you have expert engineers at your fingertips with immediate responses in less than 7 minutes, no matter the situation, anywhere in Mexico. It's like having a complete workshop in a suitcase. And if that's not magic, I don't know what is. And you? What would you do with a FORZA Aura in your workshop? Tell us in the comments. FORZA Aura isn't just a machine, It's the future of welding and laser cutting. Compact, precise, and with FORZA technical support, the best technical support in the world that you already know. If you want to transform your business, FORZA Aura is the answer. Contact us today and take your production to the next level.